This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you guys are having a great day so far. In this video I just want to give a quick update about a few pairs so far this Monday morning, and I'll be talking about USD JPY, gold, Euro USD GBP, USD GBP JPY, just to go through what's happening in the market and how we can capitalize on it. So currently, starting off with USD JPY, we can see from the weekly time frame that price has finally gotten to this support resistance area around the 135 area, and I was expecting a rejection from it as well, and you can see the rejection has started, and that's on the weekly time frame. If we go all the way to the left hand side, we can see where price tested that 135 area previously. And I can see that it's been a while since price tested that area, and so that's what I'm thinking that area could hold as well. So that is on the weekly time frame. Now if we move down to the daily time frame, we can see that price has started forming this rejection again. For this rejection to be confirmed, the daily candle has to close the way it is, or even more bearish. So if this candlestick closes bearish, or even with this sort of pin bar like this, then most likely price will bounce to the downside. And like I said previously during the weekend, that I'll be expecting this bounce to get all the way down to this area around the 131 area, or down to the 129.5 area, which is where the golden Fibonacci ratio is. So the 131 to 129 or 130 area is where we'll be looking to take profit if we take our trade from this level. And that is what I'm looking at currently on the daily time frame. And if we go down to the 4-hour time frame as well, so we can see what's happening here. Again, just to buttress the information of why we would expect price to fall, is this candlestick pattern here that I've highlighted, the three of them. So this bullish candle followed by the doji candle and then the bearish candle. This three candle has formed what we call the evening star, which is a bearish reversal pattern. So once this candlestick forms, you expect that price will most likely reverse from this area. So this is where I have decided to take my entry from, which I have a few trades running there currently, and expecting to take my trades all the way down here. So I'm basically looking at about 3:1 risk to reward ratio. It's about 120 pips that I'm risking, and looking to gain about 350 pips, 400 pips on this particular move. So that is my indication to take the sell trade at this area. One, because price has gotten to this significant resistance area. So price formed this bearish reversal pattern, which is the evening star, on this significant resistance area. And three, if we use an indicator called the RSI, we can see on the RSI that there is a divergence on the 4-hour time frame, and I'll just point out the divergence for you, and that not buttresses the reason why we will be taking this out trade. So we can see that on the price action is showing this sort of higher high pattern, and on the RSI is showing this lower low pattern. So that is a divergence, and usually that's an indication of price reversal. So that is why I'm taking my sell trade from that area. So that's just to give a quick feedback on this particular trade as well. So next I'll just go through gold very quickly to show you what's been happening. And if you remember my weekly analysis, I said that the area that we're at around the 1870 area is a key area. I'll be expecting to see some sort of price reaction there. So what the sort of reaction that has happened at the moment is price bouncing off that 1870 area. And if we go to the daily time frame as well, we can see that as well. The price is currently bearish, sorry, and going towards the downside, which I have capitalized on as well. If we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see the candlestick pattern that's formed. Immediately, price formed this bearish pin bar on the opening of the candle on the 4-hour time frame. I was able to take my entry there, and currently about 140 pips in profit. Risking about 100 pips and looking to gain about 400 pips. So I'm expecting price to continue to the downside all the way to this area here. Now, I have broken even on this trade, and because there is a possibility that price could end up reversing or even forming like a double top pattern. But at the moment, I've taken some partial profit, and I have secured the trade by moving my stop loss as well. And I'm expecting price to get all the way down to this support level around the 1830 area before we see any sort of price reaction. So that's what I'm looking at for gold currently, and I hope that you were able to capitalize on this trade. If you weren't able to capitalize on this trade, there is no need to worry at all, because there is where price is currently is a support area, and we'll see how price reacts to this area. If price ends up closing below this area, then most likely price will continue to the downside. So you have to just wait for the close of this 4-hour candle, which will happen in the next 3 hours, and then we'll see how price reacts there. So if price ends up closing bearish below that level, then we'll be looking to take more sell opportunities right there. Next, I'm just going to show you what's happening with Euro USD at the moment. And with Euro USD, remember I said that I expect price to get down into the 1.04 area, which is a very significant area where price can either bounce from or price can reject. Whether price can reject from that level or price can break through, and then we'll be looking to continue our sell trades from there. So at the moment, it looks like price is breaking through that area. So we're just going to wait and see how the candle closes on the 4-hour time frame, and if the next 4-hour candle, which closes in the next 3 hours, closes bearish and breaks below this zone, then we'll be looking to take our sell opportunity. So right now, we'll just wait and see what happens there. For GBP USD, again in the weekend, I was expecting price to continue bearish, and as you can see, that support area was broken, and I quickly entered my sell trade when the market opened. I'm currently about 100 pips in profit, and I'm expecting to take my profit around this 1.218 area, and that's where I'll be exiting the trade. And again, that area is where we'll look for more opportunities. If price breaks it, then we'll be looking to sell, and if price gives us any reversal pattern around that zone there, then we'll be looking to buy the market around there if price gives us a reversal. So that area is also key, and gives us an idea of where we're going to go to next. And to top up this video, just a quick analysis to see what's going on in GBP/JPY. And we can see when I draw the trend line over the weekend, it said price has broken it, but it's retesting that area. And then on the hourly time frame, actually is where I took my entry, because when I went down to the hourly time frame, I was able to identify this bearish pin bar. So that's why I took my entry currently around hit our take profit actually around 160 pips for GBP/JPY. So now we are at this significant area, and then we just need to look for how price reacts to that area on the 4-hour time frame. And if price gives us any sort of buy or sell opportunities, then we'll be taking it from this area, but we're just going to watch out to see what is happening. So this has basically been my analysis for these major pairs. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day your smile so bright.